Hello everybody, I'm going to make a quick video on how to convert your USA Trains heavyweight car to battery power. I run battery power on all my stuff so the track power doesn't do me any good to activate the lights. I'm doing the main car where the batteries are going to be, the first car, which is my combine, and it's got this nice storage compartment up here where you can stick a large battery, or do my personal favorite, which is one of these 12-volt lithium-ion DeWalt batteries. You can just take one of these converters that I made and just stick the spade connectors right in the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and then you've got a little pigtail that connects it to your lighting system. So I'm going to wire it up so that we can do that, and then the other cars will be daisy chained behind this one to run off the one single battery. Well, that was a fun waste of time. Here's a pro tip. Do not connect the battery into this port here on the end of the light. It doesn't work. Well, it works lighting up this car, but it does not send any of the voltage out through the pickups that I have soldered on to the bottom that go to the next car. So it lights up this car great, but when you try and daisy chain it out of the connectors that are on the bottom of the wheels, because I'm reallocating these connectors to be on the, what's I saying, the car behind it. They're going to be the ones that feed the power to the next one. So if you put power in that wrong one, yeah, it doesn't work. So we're going to unsolder, or take this apart, and do what we did down here on this end. And we're going to hook our batteries up to these connectors right here. And as far as I can tell, polarity does not work, or does not matter on these, because they are behind a bridge rectifier somewhere in their circuit board. Which makes sense, because if you have track power, you have to be able to go in reverse too. So now I just got to figure out how to get those wires into this compartment. And I really don't want to drill a hole. And if I did everything right, we should have some lights. Oh, shit. Did not do anything right on that. So I'm going to fish the wires back up this way. Just like that. And those will be my new battery leads. Hopefully the door still closes. Oh yeah. Good enough. And now we're back to where we were 5 minutes ago. Well, 25 minutes ago. But with editing, it'll be like no time passed at all. You're welcome. Peace. Alrighty, let's see if that's any better. Try not to smoke it this time. Oh yeah! You have light. Okay. And now we can put it back together and see if it daisy chains to the next car behind it. And there you have it, folks. One battery car to light up your whole train and all your LEDs. Just gotta smoke a few things first. So, and then that should slide in this door with any luck. Maybe with some finagling, I don't know. Or if not, I'll end up just putting a battery in here that stays in there all the time. I'm trying to button this back up and do the other 8 cars. Thanks for watching.